Deep frying has to be all about safety. You've got incredibly hot oil, 180, 200 degrees plus sometimes if it gets away on you, and the risk of burning yourself is very real. To start with, you need to have a large saucepan, and regardless the size of the saucepan, never more than 50% full of oil. It gives the oil room to expand and contract. If not, it can boil over the top, especially if you're frying on gas. It could be a catastrophe. I'm taking the item right down to the oil surface before putting it in. It's tempting to be a little bit scared of the oil and drop it from a height, and you end up splashing yourself. So make sure that you're organized, your bench is clear, and you're carefully and calmly placing the items into the oil. The oil itself is fresh and new. I might use it a second time, but I wouldn't use it after frying fish, for example. Clean oil is better, but there's nothing wrong with using it twice if it's for similar sort of items. Okay, keep things moving. If it sticks to the bottom, the risk of burning on one side is there. As with all sorts of frying, this temperature control is key. If the oil's too cool, things become soggy and absorb lots of oil. If it's too hot, you burn or colour up the outside before the inside is ready. Okay, so I like to fry around most things around 160 degrees, and I've got a thermometer there to regulate that temperature, turning it on and off as I need to. It's quite important to drain everything off afterwards, and then with all savoury products out of a fryer, they need a bit of salt last thing.